is quick. Hi guys, Alex Peak Performance Reviews. Welcome to another vlog and welcome to yet another video on the RS3 kind of update video, but you'll see from the title more than anything, we are kind of further improving the already amazing, pretty much massively Revo packed, Revo tuned car. Lots of Revo parts on there, amongst other stuff that's kind of track related, drag related. We've just made this car even better than it already was out of the factory. It's superb and we're loving it. And obviously it got a 11.3 second quarter mile at 116.6 miles per hour at Santa Pod, but we want more, like all of us who are into our modified cars. But you'll notice and you'll see from in the background, we are here at Hybrid Tune here. I think it's around in Suffolk. I'll give you links in the bio to everything, Hybrid Tune, etc. But yeah, we're here today to further improve this car already. Now, if you did watch the Santa Pod video, you'll notice that I was talking about how we could really improve this already amazing car, and the fact that we were having some issues, almost like the car was holding back, especially through third and fourth. And what we found out that on further investigation was that it's basically the TCU software, which is the gearbox software. It can't really cope with tuning strategies above kind of 600 Newton meters of torque. It basically holds the car back. So we're going to get the clamp loading increased. We're going to get the Newton meters acceptability torque loading of the TCU, the gearbox, increased. We're going to change some launch strategy parts in the gearbox map and a few other nice little beautiful things to the TCU. The guys at Hybrid Tune are going to work their magic, and I'll show you a little bit around their workshop and hopefully maybe get the car out. The weather isn't that nice. It's actually 12 degrees here. We're June in the UK, but it is horrible. The weather's really wet and nasty. But if I can get you some reaction videos of me in the car, I will try to, if it dries out a little bit more. It has stopped raining, but anyway, enough gabble and enough babbling. Let's get in and show you around what the guys at Hybrid Tune are going to do. And like I say, links in the bio to everything. Right, let's do some tests then. Let's do some, it's a little bit damp out and greasy, so 30 to 70 mile an hour pulls. Jeez, it's quick. It's quick. It's quick. Let's have a check and see what Draggy said. That was 3 seconds flat, 30 to 70. Yeah, it's quick. So to give a bit of perspective as to how quick 3.0 is, that's the same as an SLS, AMG Mercedes, and the same as a Lexus LFA. Cars that do, I think, low 11 quarter miles at 129 miles an hour. Let's do another one. Yeah, the TCU box tune is really good. It definitely feels like it's done something. Obviously, until I do my 100 to 200 times and go to Santa Pod, will I really know how good this is. But obviously, Sam and the guys at Hybrid Tune have increased the torque limiter or torque clamping limiter, so the oil pressure's gone up, so it will accept 700 Newton meters of torque, so it's negated the issues that you can have up top with that, as well as increasing the shift speed. Let's do one more of these quickly. Should have started at a lower speed. Yeah, that was still 3.3. Really good. It is awesome. Yeah. Woo. 3.0 the best so far. 3.00. Nice. Yeah, 3.01. Yeah, it's very quick. I reckon probably with the right place, I reckon I could probably get it to in the 2s. I might try it a few more times. Watch this space. Right, so I'm going to end it there, guys, but just talk to you a little bit more about why you should go for this software. Now, if you go for a tune and it has no TCU software, especially with one of these kind of cars, you are going to run into the issues that you will have when you get to 650 newton meters of torque, which I think most really decent stage 2 software packages will basically have, or will be getting that. The stock ECU will only be able to see 600 newton meters of torque, and it will basically hold the car back. So what this effectively will do is it'll increase the clutch pack torque acceptability, which is like 700 newton meters now, increase the oil pressure clamp loading, and it will increase the shift times. You can even change the shift points if you want Sam and the guys at Hybrid Tune to do that, so they can optimize shift points. The standard DQ 500 shift points are decent, but if you want a bit more refinement, you know where you want those shift points to be, you can custom adjust those as well. He increases also the launch capability, so or RPM of the launch control, another 500 RPM, so it's a little bit more wild, should have a little bit more boost and give it a bit more oomph, I suppose, in the get-go. I am going to do a full test of this, but under first basic testings, like I say, certainly from where we can on the roads here, 30 to 70, the increase of speed is definitely apparent straight away. I think we're getting about 0.2 seconds from 30 to 70 quicker already, and I think you'll benefit from a lot more pace even over that up, once you get to about between 70 and even 130, where you'll probably see one more change as well. So it's certainly on paper, or in the first instances, seems like this is going to make a good bit of difference. We are going to be testing the car at Santapod at Fast Look the Show Reloaded. Obviously 10.3 seconds at 116.6 to beat. I'll let you know how we get on, but from first impressions, the increases and the benefits you get from what isn't a particularly expensive modification to a car, circa £300 plus VAT. Links in the bio to everything where you can get this done. But on first impressions, absolutely awesome, and from proper data point and perspective, it seems to be doing the biz. If you do want to wait for our Santapod video, by all means wait for that. Exciting things coming out of this. I'm really happy. For the money, this has been an absolute godsend, and it seems like it is going to help me get that core mile time that I potentially could get. We'll see. Proof will be in the pudding. Data so far is looking very good. Anyway, very short video, so as always, guys, ask any questions if there is anything we haven't covered. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe. See you again in the next one. Bye for now.